Oh my, that's super quiet. That's awesome.
Give the suppressor a touch.
No way.
Right.
That's nice.
Yeah, it works hand in hand with that backdraft barrel. So it pushes those gases actually back into the barrel, which takes a lot of the heat away from the suppressor.
Yeah, that's usually you can't even touch that shit.
Yeah, no, we've been shooting them all day too. Well, here, did you get this card?
I did, but I'll take another one.
Yeah, two's always good.
Thanks, brother.
Thanks a
I
lot.
appreciate it.